Good evening, YouTube. This is Chris Green again at Outdoor Tech. I run a company called Greenway Outdoor Power in Salisbury, North Carolina. I was going to show y'all something that I get a lot. I had a customer saying that his chainsaw, after prolonged use, would, if he cut it off and try to crank it back up, it had a hard start, and when he pulled a spark plug out, it'd be covered in gases, pretty much sucking more gas in than air over a long use. And I want to show you something that could be the issue, and it's underneath this cover right here. And this is MS290, another one I'm working on, and just wanted to show y'all this. You take this cover off by turning this lever right here this way, pull the case off, and there's most likely your issue. And as you can see, I mean, that's, even if I scrape that, it's got so much oil and stuff on it, you can't clean that. So what it's doing is it's sucking in more gas than air, and it's flooding it out over, he says about 30-minute use it'd start flooding out. So I was just going to show y'all how to change this out. You're just going to want a standard flathead screwdriver. What I'm going to do first, before we do this, is I'm going to blow it off with compressed air so nothing gets inside the carburetor. And remember, when you're using compressed air, to wear safety goggles. Okay, you got two flathead screws here. Just unscrew them out. Going to gently pull this, just in case there's still some debris. And there is very, very little. You don't want that to get inside your carburetor. And here is the new air filter. We'll be installing it same way you took the other one off, just in reverse order. Slide it on. One other thing I want to show y'all too, this rubber boot right there, you're gonna want this to go inside of it. If you try to just slam it on, it could pinch it. We'll just screw these on. Don't over tighten these. Just snug it up. Just finger tight. Put the cover back on. This goes right here. This lever goes inside this. Make sure everything lines up, and then just lock. If it's really, really hard to turn this, you don't have something lined up. You're going to want to make sure everything's lined up right. And that's it for today. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Until next time, God bless, and y'all have a great day.